H1B visas are one of the most popular visas for employers who want to sponsor foreign workers to work in the US. Today we're gonna break down the steps and remove some of the mystery from the process. The first step, H1B electronic registration. Every potential applicant is required to electronically register with USCIS to participate in the lottery. Next, random selection. If the number of registrations surpasses the annual cap, a random lottery is carried out to choose the registrants eligible to apply for an H1B visa. Third, petition submissions. If a registrant is chosen, employers can file H1B petitions for their potential employees within a specified submission period, typically commencing in the first week of April each year. Finally, petition processing. The petitions are then processed. If they receive approval, the workers can attain H1B status and commence their employment in the United States. If you need our team of fabulous lawyers to help you through the H1B process, give us a call at 800-414-0978. This has been Immigration News.